So guys, I got a new video for you guys today, and today I got my guitar back, and I'm able to plug it in the amp now, so we're gonna see how it sounds. It's just a guitar I've been using for a long time, and I'll be nice to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, so I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna play randomly for you so you can hear how it sounds. Inside the guitar, let me show you. Look, if you can see, I'll show you. Let me get the camera off. So first of all, for this video, I'm going to show you the inside the camera, inside the guitar. They put new knobs in this guitar because look at this guitar. They put that in there, and then they have like a battery compartment in there because this doesn't seem to work anymore. It's broken, so we got that one, and we can see the inside. I'm gonna lighten the camera up a little bit so you guys can see. Inside there we got like different knobs, you can change it. And inside we got the battery compartment, and then really cool. So we're gonna get this video started, play some more videos for you here on the channel. Once again, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, pull the notifications on, and yeah, so we're gonna get a little bit into this video. Hold on. Put out. Yeah, so we're gonna play. Different things on the amp, and then you can just like change the knob on here a little bit and like on the amp side, and you want to pick this string. There you go. So, if you wonder, I'm gonna move it over a little bit more because it's a little fucking. A little bit more over. That should work. different things with this amp. You change the settings on the guitar. You fix the guitar up. Sounds really nice. I'm gonna play something else. Like this video, leave a comment and subscribe for more.